Big H-1B rule change incoming, and Indian workers are right in the line of fire. By December 2025, DHS is set to roll out sweeping reforms that could completely reset how Indians apply, get selected, and stay in the U.S. to work. This isn't just reform, it's a reset. According to the latest regulatory agenda, the proposal will target who qualifies for exemptions from the 85,000 cap, crack down on contractors at third-party client sites, and increase audits for employers flagged in the past. A separate rule already cleared by the Office of Management and Budget could change the H-1B lottery into a weighted system that favors higher salaries and advanced degrees. Sound familiar? It mirrors Trump's 2021 proposal that was shelved under Biden. Now it's back. Why does this matter most for Indians? Because the numbers don't lie. In 2023, Indians received nearly 69,000 new H-1Bs and more than 210,000 extensions, over 75% of the entire program. Consulting giants like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, and Cognizant, who rely heavily on third-party placements, could see their model restricted. Independent consultants, Indian STEM grads on OPT, and startups depending on H-1B talent could also feel the squeeze. We've seen this movie before. From 2018 to 2020, USCIS often cut approvals down to months instead of years, and buried applicants in RFEs demanding contracts, itineraries, and proof of control. So what can you do now? Talk to your employer, especially if you're on contract. If you're applying for FY 2027, prepare airtight job descriptions early. And if the weighted system takes effect, start checking salary benchmarks and upgrading skills now. For Indian students on OPT looking to move to H-1B, preparation is key. Every time the rules shift, Indians feel it first. If you're on H-1B or planning to apply, drop your city and field in the comments and subscribe for updates that keep you ahead, not afraid.